Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is of class 5th for the subject of mathematics, topic, area and volume, which is covered in page number 211 of your textbook and is being submitted to you on 12th January 2021. Now, students, in this chapter, we are going to cover the following topics. First of all, we'll try to understand the concept of perimeter and area, and then we will deal with the formulas to find the perimeter and area. And then at last, we will do few questions from your book exercise 17.1. So now students, let us start our topic with the meaning of perimeter. Now let us discuss what is a perimeter. Now children, look at this figure. Now this is a triangle. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter is just only the outer boundary of a closed figure. Now children, what is the outer boundary? Now I am marking it with a blue line. So this is your outer boundary of a triangle. And this boundary is your perimeter. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the outer boundary. Now let us look at the second figure, that is your quadrilateral, means four-sided figure. Okay, so now in this four-sided figure you are having how many sides? Four. So if you go around A, let me show you. If you go around your point A, then where will be your outer boundary? So let's see where is your outer boundary. If you move around point A, that is this one, then this way, and at last you will come back to your point A. So this is your outer boundary of a quadrilateral. Okay, so the distance covered is the length of the boundary is called its perimeter. Okay, children. Now, similarly, in the next figure, that is your pentagon. Pentagon means five-sided figure. So now let's see your pentagon. Now, if you go around A, so how much distance you are going to cover if you start from point A and you will go from A, then you will reach at your point A one more time. So this is the length of the boundary. Okay. So in a simple language, what is a perimeter? Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure. I repeat, what is your perimeter? Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure, or perimeter is just the sum of all the sides of a given closed figure. So now children, if you add all the given sides of the figure, that will give you perimeter, and it should be the outer boundary. Okay, so now let's see. The first one is a figure is given to you with the sides, and you are having four sides. Now, can you name four sides here? Now, let us mark. The first side is AB, BC, CD, and D. Now, children, if you add just all the sides, it will give you perimeter. Okay, what it will give you? It will give you perimeter. Okay, so now I hope you are clear with the word perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. Okay, students. So now let us move ahead with the page number 2. Now again you are given with a figure. Let us look at the figure very carefully. Now can you count the number of sides in the given figure? Now let us count the sides of the given figure. Let us start from point AB. AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG and GA. So now children, how many sides are there? Can you tell me? 7 sides. How many sides? There are 7 sides. Okay. So if you add all the 7 sides, it will become its perimeter. So now children, I hope what is a perimeter? So in a simple language, you can say that perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Now children, let us move on to a question number 1 based on the perimeter. Now children, in the first question, you have to find the perimeter of the given closed figure. Now children, you can see that this is again a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four side. Okay, so four-sided figures. So if you want to find the perimeter, you just have to add 7 plus 5, 7.3 and 8. If you add all the four sides, then you will get your perimeter. Okay. Now children, add them quickly. Please match your answer with my answer. I guess after adding, you will get 27.3 centimeter. Now children, here the units are very important as all the sides are in centimeter. You can see that. I'm just making a circle here. All the sides are in centimeter. So your perimeter is also in centimeter. Why? Because perimeter is the length of the outer boundary. It is a length. So what will be the answer of this question? So your perimeter is equal to 27.3 centimeter. Okay students, I hope you are clear with the part A. Now let us discuss the part B. Again in this you have to find the perimeter. So I guess children there is no problem at all because you just have to add its side. You have to add the length of its side. Okay, so you just have to add 45, 80, 50, then again 80, 95 and 90. Okay children, if you when you add all these length, your answer is 140. What is your answer? 440. And what will be the unit? The unit is meter. I guess there is no problem that why the unit is meter, because children, here this side is given in meter. All the sides are in meter. Okay. So what will be the unit of perimeter? That is also meter. Okay. So what is your final answer of part B after adding all the sides? It is 440 meter. Okay students. So I hope you are clear with the term perimeter. Let us recall, perimeter is just the sum of all the sides of a given closed figure. Okay. Now children, we have a direct formula to find the perimeter of rectangle and square. Now children, you know that in a rectangle, the opposite sides are same. If this is L, this is also L. Okay. If this is 5 centimeter, this is also 5. If the other one, if the breadth is 2, suppose 2, then this side, opposite side will also be 2. So in a simple language, you can just add all the sides and you will get the answer. But now we have a formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Now children, let us look at the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Now this is called length of the rectangle and this is called breadth of the rectangle. Okay, this is your length and this is your breadth. So now we have a direct formula to find perimeter of a rectangle, that is twice L plus B. Means you have to add length and breadth and then you have to multiply it with 2. What you have to do, children, here? You have to add its length with breadth, and then whatever answer you get, you have to multiply that with 2. Okay, now let's look at the square also. Now, children, you are well aware of the figure square. Now, in square, all the sides are equal. You know the property of a square that all the sides are equal. If this is A, this is also A, the upper one is also A, and this one is also A. In a simple language, you can just add all the four sides and you will get the perimeter. Now just look at the formula. Now the formula is again very easy. The perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. If the side is given to you, you just have to multiply the side with 4 and you will get the perimeter. Okay, how will you get the perimeter of the square? You just have to multiply it with 4 because we are having 4 equal sides. Okay, students, I guess you are clear with the formula. Let me repeat one more time. The formula to find perimeter of rectangle is twice L plus B, while the perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply side. Okay, now let us look at the questions based on the above formula. Now, in the first one, you have to find the perimeter of the given rectangle. Now, children, you are given with this rectangle. Okay, now in this rectangle, can you tell me what is the length? Can you tell me what is the length of this rectangle? Yes, you are right. Here L is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, and what is the breadth here? Can you figure it out? What is breadth here? Yes, you are right. It is 3 centimeter. Okay, students. So now you know your length, you know your breadth. So can you apply in the formula? Can you recall what is your formula? Yes, the formula of this is twice L plus B. What is that? Twice L plus B. Length is 6 and breadth is 3. So now children, what you have to do? First you have to add length and breadth. So what is the length? 6 plus 3 is equal to, what is 6 plus 3? Your 6 plus 3 is equal to, here you have to put the plus sign. Okay, so what is 6 plus 3? That is your 9. Okay, children, what will be your answer? It will be 9. That is your 9 centimeter. Now, I told you after getting your sum, you have to multiply it with 2. So 9 twos are 18. So what is your final answer? 18. And now children, don't forget to write the unit, and the unit of this will be centimeter. So the perimeter of your given rectangle is equal to 18 centimeter. Okay, so I hope you are clear with the perimeter and how to use the formula. Now let's move on to our question number 2, B part. Let's see what is given in question number 2, B part. You are given with, find the perimeter of a square of side 3.6 centimeter. Now children, here, what is given to you? You are given with side. What is given to you? Side is equal to 3.6 centimeter. What is your side? 3.6 centimeter. Okay, students, this is your side. Okay, so now when side is given to you and you know that what is the formula of perimeter of square, that is 4 into side. Now you just have to multiply 4 with 3.6. After multiplication, your answer is 14.4 centimeter. So I hope children you are clear with that what is a perimeter. Perimeter is the outer boundary of a closed figure. And then perimeter of rectangle is twice L plus B and perimeter of square is 4 into side. Okay. Now you are clear with the perimeter. Now let us discuss what is an area. Now, children, look at the figure given here. First one is your triangle. Okay, so now you know that if I ask you to show the perimeter, I guess you are going to show the outer boundary. Okay, so this is your perimeter. Now, children, let us discuss what is an area. Now, area is the surface enclosed by the boundary. Is its area. Now, what is an area? Area is the surface enclosed by a closed figure. Okay, so this is the boundary of the closed figure. Okay, and the surface enclosed by it is its area. Okay, I hope you are clear with the area. Let's see the second figure also. Now, this is a quadrilateral or you can say it's a rectangle. Okay, students. So now let's see the rectangle. Now you know that what is the boundary of this figure. Now let's mark the boundary. This is your boundary. Okay, and the surface enclosed by it will be its area. Let's color it. This is your area of the given figure. Okay, so now in a simple language you can say that area is the surface enclosed by a closed figure is its area. Now children, let's discuss about its unit. The units of area is meter square or centimeter square or kilometer square. Okay, it can be anything according to the question. Now let's discuss the formula of area of rectangle and square. Now children, it's very easy. Now we have discussed this that this is the length of the rectangle and that one is your breadth. Okay, so now if you just multiply L into B, means if you multiply length with breadth, you will get the area. Okay, what you will get? You will get the area. So the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so now let us discuss our area of square. Now children, look at the figure. You know that what is a square? In square, all the sides are equal. If one side, suppose one side is A, then all other side is also A. So now what is the area of the square? Area of the square is side into side. What is the area of the square? Side into side. You just have to multiply side 2 times. Okay. So the area of rectangle is length into breadth and area of square is side into side. Now I hope children you are clear with the formulas. Now next questions we will discuss in our next video.